so as soon as I get this on there, I'm just gonna hand this bucket to him. Yep. You go ahead and grab, and let's get this in there.
Drop it, I got it. Yep.
Oh my god, I'm fucking able to push this goddamn thing.
Hang on, it's not going in anyway. Why is that? I think it's warped or something. It's not going in. Hang on a second. Hang on. That's all right. Sergio, you got to lift up just a hair, but a hair, only a hair.
Fucking pipe's gonna come out.
What?
Should go inside the pipe, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but this is warped a little bit because of the down pressure. Just go there and just touch it.
A little bit more. Good.
Down a little bit. Sergio, push it to me just a little bit. Just a hair. What? Off. What?
He's not touching it.
And you grab and pull to me. Do it. Sergio, it's too much fuel, man. You're killing birds right now.
Well, I can turn it off because it's gonna move again.
What kind of machine moves when you turn it off? Huh? What kind of machine are you? All right, I'm going in the glue phase. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Just get in position because it's go time now.
Josh, how you like holding that pipe?
I like holding 12-inch pipe.
He's used to it. Don't talk to him. Hey, ready.
Beautiful!
Yeah, we're good. Just so you can let go. All right, Sergio.
Can I move?
Said we feel alright. Let's get it right now. So come on, let's get inside now. So come on. Started with the wake and bake. Said we feel alright. The lines roll by as I sit inside while they spark a flame. Got no lube, dog, but the van still smells the same. So come on, let's get it right now. So come on, let's get it tight now, yeah. And everything will be alright once we spark.